let us start the exercise 8.1. In this one, first question, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, determine first one sin A cos A, second one sin C cos C. So triangle ABC right angled at B. Let us take one right angle triangle here. Right angled triangle. It is right angled at B. Now here you can take A or C. I will take here is A and B. This will be C. Now let us take given conditions. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Now I have to find AC. For that we shall apply Pythagoras theorem here. Now AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square, that is 24 square 576 plus BC square 7 square, that is 49. So this is equals to 625. That is AC square. Here AC square is 625, but I want AC. That you can write as 25 centimeter. Square root of 625, that is 25. So AC here I am getting as 25 centimeter. Here no need to take K because they are given unit. So value they have given BC value, AB value and AC value. Okay, they are not in a fraction. Okay, total value they have given here. Now I want sin A. So sin A, we know all three sides. Then you can write any other trigonometric ratios. So according to the diagram, sin A, angle A is here. So sin is nothing but definition is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. For this A angle, opposite by hypotenuse, BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Now BC value is 7 divided by centimeter. Centimeter will get cancelled. AC is 25. 7 divided by 25 is sin A. Similarly, I want second one cos A. Cos A is equals to, according to the diagram, so cos A is nothing but what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. According to the diagram, adjacent by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now AB is 24 divided by AC is 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. Okay. Now you can solve like this. Come here for second one, that is C. For the angle C. Now I will take again same diagram. Already got the third side. Now A, B, sorry, this is B. I should take B because they said it. Right angle at B. And this I will take A and this will be C. Now I want angle C. Okay. The three sides are same. So AB is how much here? AB is 24. I can take 24 centimeter. And BC is 7 centimeter. Now AC is 25 centimeter. Now from this I have to write sin C. Sin C. Now sin definition you know, opposite by hypotenuse. According to the diagram, sin C can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. For angle C, AB is opposite, AC is hypotenuse, BC is adjacent side. Okay. So sin C is equal to AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now AB value is 24 divided by AC value is 25. 24 divided by 25. That is sin C. Another one is cos C. Cos C is equals to cos is nothing but what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For the angle C, adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So here BC divided by AC. Now this is equal to, so BC is 7 divided by AC is 25. Okay. So this is how we can solve this. Second question. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. So this is the given diagram. Here PQ is 12 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter, QR we don't know. QR we have to find. Why? Because we will get QR. We want QR here. So for that the third side we have to find. Now to find third side, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem here. So I can write here PR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. QR square. Now here I want QR square. I will take PQ square to the left. QR square is equals to PR square minus PQ square. Now PR square, PR value is 13, 13 square that is 169 minus PQ, PQ value is 12, 12 square that is 144. Now 169 minus 144 that is 25. So this is what QR square is 25 I am getting. Now QR I want. QR is equals to how much it is? 5 centimeter. Centimeter I should write because they have given here. So QR value is 5 centimeter I got. Now I have to find the tan P minus cot R. First we shall find the tan P. Tan P. For the angle P I have to see. For the angle P. Now tan is nothing but the opposite by adjacent. For tan P, opposite is QR, adjacent is PQ. So tan P is equal to QR divided by PQ. QR divided by PQ. QR value is 5 centimeter divided by PQ. PQ value is 12. This is 5 divided by 12 is tan P. Now another I want is cot R. Cot R is equals to cot is nothing but what? Adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, adjacent divided by opposite. For the angle R, now we have to see for the angle R. So adjacent will be what? QR is adjacent side, opposite will be PQ. Okay, this is hypotenuse, both common for both. Now QR divided by PQ. QR divided by PQ. Now QR is 5 divided by PQ value is again 12. Okay. So we got these 12, but I want to find this term. Now tan P minus cot R is equals to tan P value is already 5 by 12 minus cot R is also 5 divided by 12. Now this is equals to 0. Therefore tan P minus cot R is equals to 0. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. So sin A 3 by 4. Here ratio is given. So let us take first right angle triangle. They have not said any other than A. So you can take any B or C. Here I will take here as A, B and this as C. Okay, you can take any other points. No, but A must be there other than B, other than 90 degree. Okay, A. Now here sin A is equal to 3 by 4 is given. Now according to the diagram I will write sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. For the angle A, opposite is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Now here given is 3 divided by 4. Now BC I can take it as 3K. Okay, they have given in ratio. AC I can take it as 4K. AC is 4K. Now I have to find the third side by applying Pythagoras theorem. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. I want AB. So I will take to the BC square to the left. AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. Now this is equals to what? AC square 4 square that is 16K square minus BC square. BC is how much? 3 square. It is 9K square. Now 16 minus 9. So that is 16 minus 9, 7K. So this is what AB square is 7K square I am getting. 7K square. Now AB is equals to root of 7K. AB is equal to root of 7K. So third side we got root 7k. Now I want to find cos A now. Cos A is equals to cos A. Cos A is equals to what? So cos A is nothing but, according to the diagram, cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now this is equals to AB value is how much here? Root 7k. Root 7k divided by AC. AC value is how much here? 4k. 4k. Now k get cancelled. So remaining is root 7 divided by 4. Root 7 divided by 4. That is cos A. And another one is tan A. Tan A is equals to so tan A is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. According to the angle A, opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. Tan A equal to BC divided by AB. BC divided by AB. Substitute the value. So BC is equal to 3k divided by AB value is root 7k. Root 7k. So k get cancelled. We are getting 3 divided by root 7. Now we can convert it in simplest form also. Multiply and divide it by root 7. Now this is equals to 3 root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 is 7 only. Okay. This is what? Tan A. Okay. Tan A equal to 3 root 7 by 7.